The tomahawk kid, do you know what he did on a cave on Treasure Island?
Last week when I was greasing up the grease nipple on the steering kingpin, or one of them, I broke off the brass grease nipple because, of course, brass is so damn brittle. I'd got a new grease gun and the nozzle was a bit tight, and I actually broke the other one off, the higher one up on the column right there. And well, dumbass, I got it out, and took me some time to find a grease nipple that would actually fit. It turns out it was an M6, and I got this pack from Harbor Freight for about $7, and it actually has the right size in. Unfortunately, it's the wrong material, of course. It's just a basic steel, but for now, I'm running in fresh water, and I got an assorted pack to see if I could find one that actually fit. And as I said, it turned out that it was the M6 size. So find a socket to fit it. And I'm not going to use the wrench on it. I'm just going to use the little screwdriver fitting and hand tighten it by hand, just so that it's not over tight, because I do want to get it out later when I get replacement brass fitting. So, like I said, the M6 fitting is a perfect match. Perfect. And just screw it up nice and tight by hand. Squeeze it up by hand. And next step was to pump in some marine grease into both of those two nipples. Get the nozzle to fit, slip on nicely, then tighten it up. And we pumped it in until it started to ooze out the sides, top and bottom. You can see it just there in the bottom one. And just loosen off that nozzle. I didn't even know you could tighten those up and loosen them off until just a few days ago. And so wipe off the excess with an old t-shirt. As you can see here, it oozed out all over the place on the other side. I couldn't see it, of course, from the side I was pumping. But yeah, there was a ton of grease came out the other side. I scooped that out, put it back into the tube in the grease gun, and put everything away. And we were done. So like, share, and subscribe to help the channel, and thanks for watching.
When we set sail across the seven